I had a few accidents last year just because cars weren't looking where they were going and turning at junctions and not seeing the cyclists and things like that.
I think a good tip to make cars aware of you is try and wear as much high visibility clothing as you can, really.
The good thing about Starley is our kit is very bright, so I don't think you could miss us in this kind of coloured kit.
Especially being a driver myself, you do notice people more in fluorescent clothing than you would in like full black kit.
The other thing is always have lights, because even if it's just like an overcast day, always have your lights on, because the more that cars can see you, the less likely you'll be knocked off.
I think when you're riding your bike, you almost want to think like you're driving a car. So if you would like signal at a roundabout, then when you're on your bike, you should be doing the same thing.
It's good to anticipate what the drivers are going to do, because you never know. Although a car isn't supposed to pull out on you, then you know you're much smaller than other vehicles they're used to seeing. So if a car is waiting at a junction, you just make sure it isn't going to pull out and be ready to brake or divert if you have to. Some cars aren't used to a cyclist going at 30 miles an hour, so if they see that cyclist and think, oh, going slow, I'll just go now, and before they know it, we're already into them.
You do have to be very careful, because you have to be that extra aware, because otherwise you will get caught out.
You cannot really control what the cars or what could happen to you, so therefore it's very good to have insurance. Your bike is covered and can be replaced. You are covered for physical damage and if you injure someone else, they are covered, so that can really give confidence.